Assigning file system rights with Novell. Firstly, I will set up the scenario. The scenario is that we have an IT studies department. Within this department there are staff and there are students. Obviously the staff includes lecturers and office staff. In the students, there's 3 streams of students: multimedia, networking and software. And all these users within each of these streams belong to a group called students. Alex, our example lecturer here, is a member of the lecturers group. Nathaniel, an example office administration staff, is a member of the office group. Within IT studies, on the data volume, there is a folder called student files, and this is where files required by students and lecturers during classes are put. So therefore students should have the ability to read and execute programs from this area, whereas lecturers should place, remove, update and modify files from this area. So knowing that, assigning the appropriate rights. To assign the appropriate rights, right click on the target, which in this case is the folder student files, select properties, select the trustees tab and add the appropriate trustees. In this case we will add the lecturers. Like I said, lecturers should be able to read, write, which basically means the ability to modify the files that are existing there, create new files, delete or erase existing files, and modify. Modify meaning the ability to modify the attributes of the file, such as whether it requires archiving, the file name itself, and finally file scan, meaning the ability to see the files. We don't need to give the lecturers access control because we don't need the lecturers to be able to control what trustees and what rights other users have. We'll also add the students trustee, students group, and like I mentioned, the students should be able to read and see the files only. The read will also give them the right to execute a file if it's an executable program.